Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. Here is a mixed media painting that I've been working on for a while now, off and on, in between other projects. And the medium that I used is pencil, colored pencil, and acrylic paint with a little bit of metallic acrylic paint on the middle bits of his overalls. And this piece is inspired by a photograph that I took of one of the workers at the Shelburne Museum here in Shelburne, Vermont. My most favorite museum ever, because it just has so many beautiful pieces of artwork and just so historically immersive. I just love it. Very country and outside in nature too. So this guy here is a blacksmith. I know some people have asked if he's like a conductor because of the hat, but nope, he's a blacksmith. And he is dressed this way because he works at the Shelburne Museum giving tours of the blacksmith barn, I guess you'd call it. And he gives demonstrations on old techniques of blacksmithing, which is very cool to see. I hope he's still there. He's also a photography teacher, and I saw him working there, and I just was really inspired by his really just beautiful beard, and I just loved his outfit. I asked him if he could pose for me, which he was very excited about. He suggested the photo be in black and white, which I agree, but also I decided to do a color painting of, because I just really liked his blue eyes with the blue overalls and the blue hat and a little bit of warm tones in the old painted wood. So this is not done yet. I'm going to be adding some more details with shadows and contrast, highlights in his hat, make it a little less messy looking, and do more details in the wood grain. And I think pretty much the overalls and the shirt are done, and the beard, but I'm not 100% sure yet. But I think his face is done. So yeah. So if you want to see more on art content like this, please follow and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers on my TikTok. Or followers? Yeah, followers. So I can do live streams. So make sure you give me a follow. And also I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube as well, so I can get monetized and start getting paid for my content, because I'm a self-employed artist. So also please check out my links in my bio and also with this video, depending upon what website you're on. So you can check out my other social media accounts, and also where I have artwork for sale on my Redbubble shop. And please check out my Patreon. Please, please. It's where I post the process of artwork that I work on off from my Twitch stream, which, by the way, I'm going to be streaming tonight. Working on some commissions. So, see you on stream tonight soon, guys. Bye. Happy arting out there.